Hello guys, I don't know if you remember or if I even mentioned it, but before installing my camera and the Ford logo on the tailgate, I did install my camera in the bumper here. I had an awful view. I could not pin my trailer because it was not centered and it was too low, so I was not able to see the curb on the ground when I was close, and basically it was a very bad idea. So today I will block this hole. I bought this plug on eBay for about $1, something like that. It's a 1.5 inch plug, and my hole is currently 1 inch of diameter, so I will obviously need to make the hole bigger with the Dremel. I will go slowly and try the plug very often because I don't want to pass through and have to order another plug. So this is what we will do today. So let's start it right now. So this is it, guys. With this plug, at least it matched the color of the bumper and I don't have a hole in my bumper anymore. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the little bell so you will be notified as soon as I will release a new video. So on this, I wish everybody a great day. See you later. Bye.